proper space. Make sure you don't dump all the seeds in one area. Alright, so probably our target here is somehow 3,000 seedlings, and then after that one, secure this seeds packaging, and then you will cover it slowly, just a little bit portion. Do not cover it with a huge volume of coco peat because it will damage the seeds, it will not grow. Good morning guys, it's another day, it's another vlog, it's another learning episode. Welcome back to my channel. Come on, let's go. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are doing well in your farm. This is last week of May. So today we are going to plant Strosa seeds, Lolo Bionda type lettuce. So this is an example of Lolo Bionda Strosa. So this is also the result of growing Strosa during summer. So it is quite struggling, but you can have it, you can sell it as nice as a price, like 25 pesos to 30 pesos as it is like normal days. So we did not plant any variety like Olmeti, like other romaine type lettuce because it is very hot. So we removed the net last 2 days ago, and I guess this is the right time to plant again a batch of seeds. So that one is first week after transplant, and we have seedlings here. So it is very nice. So unlike others, this one, so the Lolo Bionda is quite good during hot days, but it depends on somehow area, location. So I transplanted 10 bucks last 3 days ago. So good, recover already. So try to look at this guys. So this area is my recovery area. We're in very safe, not directly to sunlight. And then again, we have bottom. We just put water here under, and then the coco peat will absorb. So before we start planting guys, we will clean the area because there is a lot of mangoes here, and also we will feed our native chicken, the darag chicken, and the turkeys. So let's find out. Let's first feed the chicken, and then let's plant the strosa. So I will make some tips also. I will give some tips why or how you will be able to save somehow the space of your area, and also the seeds. So come on, let's go. So alright guys, we have native chicken, we have turkeys, we have um, roosters here. So we just feed them twice a day, and then we have pullets here, um, 10 15 days old native chicken. Come on, let's go there. So this is my routine. Early morning, before go to the lettuce, before going to check the lettuce guys. So this is our routine, feeding the animals first before going to the lettuce, because in the lettuce it is automatically feeding all the nutrients and water. So we practice this livestock, native chicken, turkeys, because we have a farm, we already have a farm, therefore we're going to practice there somehow, growing chickens like the rag, native, hito, tilapia, and other livestock. So come on, let's go to the planting activity today. So guys, we are going to use a ordinary vegetable tray from the local market. I bought this 75 pesos, and this is going to be the material, or somehow the seedling tray. So we did not use the regular seedling tray, because we already decided that once you plant the seeds right there, it is very very plain and simple, right? So I have sample right there at the nursery area. Again, we will find it later. So we have two trays right here, and the Strosa seeds and the Condor Tyrol romaine. So this romaine is very beautiful. We are going to show you later what is the result. Alright, so we have masking tape, because this is 10 grams and it is equivalent to 10,000 seeds. Alright, so of course we will use the scissors, and then this is going to be easy, nice and easy. This is sterilized coco peat. We're going to put first the sterilized coco peat at least 1 inch deep. Right, we're going to put somehow at least 1 inch volume in terms of soil media. So this is again sterilized coco peat. Next, going to open the Lolo Bionda. So there is a guide. So tear off here. So this is very safe here at the top. And then this is going to be nice seeds. Try to look at this, guys. This is color green, right? So what we'll do is to sow the seeds like this. So make sure proper space. Make sure you don't dump all the seeds in one area. Alright, so probably our target here is somehow 3,000 seedlings, and then after that one, secure this seeds packaging, and then you will cover it slowly, just a little bit portion. Do not cover it with a huge volume of coco peat because it will damage the seeds. It will not grow. Therefore, you will be able to repeat this process again. Right? So, all you need to do is to cover small portion of the seeds. So you have to do it gently, nice and easy. Right? This is very easy, guys. 3,000 seedlings in less than 1 minute. So we're going to put here, and then we have another tray for Strosa. We will repeat the process again. That is very simple. Or you have limited time in doing some of your farm job, it is easy for you to follow this one. Right? So the color of the Condor Tyrol seeds is color white. Condor Tyrol seeds, very nice romaine seeds, very cheap, available in Shopee. Just click the link if you want to order Strosa seeds. If you want to order Tyrol Condor seeds, just click the link at the description. So again, repeat the process, cover it nice and easy. You don't need to put more coco peat. Right? So we have 2 trays of Strosa, 2 trays of Strosa, and then 1 tray of Tyrol Condor. Right? So before putting it to the nursery, we need to secure first our seeds. So we open it a while ago, therefore we're gonna close it, we're gonna secure it so that your seeds, so that you can use these seeds next planting days. Okay. You have to seal it nice and simple like this one. Right? So don't need to have a complicated packaging somehow. All you need to do is to seal your seeds, straw seeds like this. And also this one, again, do not use the spoon in opening this can. Use the can opener, regular can opener, so that your hands will be safe. Alright, so guys, we will put this on the chiller under our refrigerator because we are going to maintain proper temperature on it so that you can use this next planting days. Right, so we're going to go to the nursery, and we're going to water this out so that next day we're going to see beautiful Tyrol romaine and a beautiful Strosa Lolo Bionda type of lettuce. So come on, let's go guys. So in watering this new batch of seeds or new batch of plants, you have to decide if you water it on top, but traditionally here in our farm we use the bottom. Right, we put water at the bottom and we let the coco peat absorb it. So this is plain water, no nutrients, right? So seeds don't need somehow nutrients during their first days. So we're gonna feed this one again, our nice seedlings here. This is what we call bottom watering. Okay, so proper absorption, you will see the difference after putting the water. The coco peat looks darker than usual. So I guess they're already done. For those of you who wants to order Lolo Bionda Strosa, click the link, and also Tyrol Condor romaine type, click the link below the description. Thanks for watching guys. See you next learning episode. Bye.